In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a furniture seller on Wayfair. If you're ready to take your business to the next level and sell your furniture products on one of the largest online platforms, you're in the right place. The first thing we need to tackle is understanding Wayfair's seller requirements, especially for furniture categories. Wayfair has specific expectations for the quality, safety, and presentation of the products listed on their platform. It's vital to thoroughly review these requirements. This step is about ensuring your products align with standards that will make your listings not only viable, but competitive. Take the time to read their seller guidelines, focusing on any unique stipulations for furniture items, from dimensions to materials. This is a crucial foundation as it helps you grasp what it takes to thrive in their marketplace. Once you've got a clear understanding of what's needed, let's move on to gathering your business licenses and tax documents. These are essential for setting up your seller account officially. Having these documents ready will streamline the application process. Make sure your business licenses are current and that you have the necessary tax identification numbers. If you don't have these documents readily available, you might need to contact your local authorities or a financial advisor to ensure everything is in order. This step is non-negotiable, as Wayfair insists on compliance with all regional and national business regulations. Next up is ensuring your products meet quality and safety standards. This is perhaps one of the most critical facets of selling furniture. It's not only about compliance with legal standards, but also ensuring customer satisfaction and safety. Some products may need certification or specific inspections. You might need to reach out to testing labs or certification bodies to ascertain your furniture meets these benchmarks. Remember, Wayfair is known for its commitment to quality, so taking the time to double-check your product specs can pay off substantially in building customer confidence. With your paperwork ready and product standards verified, it's time to submit your application to become a Wayfair furniture seller. When filling out your application, be thorough and provide detailed and accurate information about your business and products. Wayfair values transparency and clarity, so this is your opportunity to make a great first impression. If any section feels complex or unclear, don't hesitate to reach out to their support for guidance. If Wayfair requests, you should be prepared to provide product samples or catalogs. This is